Now imagine you have a class at 7:30, and in an effort to maximize your amount of sleep, you decide to set an alarm for 7. Now that leaves you 30 minutes to get ready and get to class. And in order to make that time frame, you decide to skip breakfast. Now if that sounds like something that's really happened to you, you're along with most college students. In a study done by correlates of meal skipping in young adults, the average college student skips 58% of their breakfast meals per week. Now, the leading causes of skipping breakfast are a desire to get more sleep and the complete unwillingness to make breakfast in the morning, which is completely understandable. However, that is detrimental to a person's health. According to Better Health Channel, breakfast is a proven proponent of increasing energy and function of body, providing essential vitamins and nutrients, weight control, and increased brain power. So in an effort to make the best of both worlds today, we're going to be learning how to make overnight oats, which doesn't require prep time in the morning, which allows you to sleep in and still gives you a nutritious, healthy breakfast to help start your day. First, the ingredients we're going to require are rolled oats, milk, which can be any milk or substitute, a banana, plastic cups, and your choice of additional toppings. To get started, we're going to get a third of a banana and put it in our plastic cup and mash it down until it is nice and smooth. And now we add our rolled oats. And for this time, I'm using a half a cup scoop to scoop the rolled oats into the cup with the banana. Now it's time to mix our milk in. We're going to have a 1-to-1 ratio with our milk to oats, so we need to add a half a cup of milk into the mixture. Once you have them together, go ahead and mix up the milk and the banana and the oats, and it'll make a thick base for your overnight oats. Once it's finished, put it in the fridge and let it rest for at least 8 hours. By the next morning, the oats should have absorbed the milk and made it much thicker in consistency. Now it's time to put our toppings on. The first recipe, we're going to put chia seeds and strawberries in. So you can put the chia seeds on and there's no measurement required. You just put however much you see fit. And then after that, we'll add our freshly chopped strawberries and stir up in order to make a refreshing breakfast with plenty of fruit. Now, if you want something a little more dense, you can take your overnight oat mixture and mix in some peanut butter in order to give it more protein and fatty acids. Now, I really like this mixture, but it takes quite a bit more stirring, so be ready to be patient. Now, if you like something a little sweet, I decided to get mini chocolate chips, which made kind of an oatmeal chocolate chip breakfast for in the morning. And it was very good and very much enjoyed this one. Now, these were the 3 finished products, and they were very easy to make. Took me about 5 minutes in total, and they were very good the next morning. Now, the overnight oat mixture will last you 2 days. And if you don't use banana, it'll last you up to 4. But I would go ahead and make them as you eat them because they're pretty easy to make. Another suggestion I have is to use bigger cups. The plastic cups that I used were ones that I had already had. But in order to make it easier on you to stir, I would go ahead and get bigger, kind of red Solo cup. Another suggestion I have is to make the overnight oats your own. Go out and explore and try new recipes. There's plenty of recipes on Food Network specifically. I found a couple of them there, and there's many other places to find them. If you eat the same ones every time, they'll get boring and they'll get gross just like any other breakfast food. So explore and find new things. Thank you and enjoy.